Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into incredible inventions turning ordinary rides into next-level machines. From airless tires that never go flat to motorhomes that unfold like luxury apartments. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your car, right now. The Protek TM23 is a German innovation created for evacuation and utility services, offering a unique mix of simplicity and mobility. In production for more than 20 years, this system has proven itself as a reliable and versatile tool across different industries. Its enduring presence highlights both its practicality and effectiveness. The unit can be mounted on a wide range of SUVs or light trucks weighing between 6,000 and 16,500 pounds. This flexibility makes it suitable for various vehicle types, ensuring that operators don't need specialized models to take advantage of its features. A remote control system adds ease of use, letting workers manage the equipment efficiently. The current load capacity reaches about 5,000 pounds, giving it the strength needed for demanding tasks. Despite its installation, the vehicle's tailgate remains fully functional, which means there's no loss of accessibility or convenience for everyday use. One of the standout aspects of the TM23 is its adaptability. For example, it can be mounted on the vehicle's front, with one version converting an SUV into a snowplow. Additional attachments expand its utility, turning an ordinary truck into a multi-purpose machine useful in every season. The Sortimo Dachträger TopSystem is a smart solution for making use of car roofs, which often remain unused, especially on taller vehicles. This modular roof rack creates extra space for transporting various loads and can be customized to meet the needs of both the customer and the vehicle type. It offers useful add-ons, such as an aluminum support tube, integrated lighting equipment, and a special ladder carrier available in 8.2 or 9.8-foot versions. These features make it especially practical for professionals who frequently transport large or heavy equipment. The system includes ProSafe technology, which makes securing even bulky items quick and reliable. Safety is also a priority. The roof rack has passed crash tests, proving its exceptional sturdiness. One of its biggest advantages is durability. The manufacturer guarantees that the top system will outlast your current car and can even be mounted on your next vehicle, making it a long-term investment for frequent travelers or workers. The VDL Togo system is a clever and efficient solution for towing trucks, designed with simplicity in mind. It can be attached to a tractor's fifth wheel by a single person in about 15 minutes, making it both fast and practical. Once installed, the system lifts the rear of the truck, allowing it to be towed like a standard trailer. This design eliminates the need for special tow trucks, reducing both costs and downtime. Compatible with a wide range of tractors from 4x2 to 8x4 models, the Togo proves its versatility across different vehicle types. The manufacturer also offers optional features such as a lighting system and a special brake kit, ensuring even safer and more convenient operation when towing in varied conditions. On the other hand, the Varga Green Track system focuses on improving traction and stability on challenging terrain. Made from durable boron steel, these tracks extend tire life by up to 60% while reducing ground pressure by 30 to 50%. This not only increases fuel efficiency, but also enhances stability and mobility, even on rocky or uneven surfaces. The manufacturer highlights an additional eco-friendly benefit: reduced ground impact. This makes Green Track an excellent choice for forestry and agricultural work, where minimizing damage to natural environments is essential. The ECor car trailer is a creative solution that brings the phrase, "all that is mine, I carry with me," to life. Designed with versatility in mind, these folding trailers can transform into a wide range of functional spaces, depending on the customer's needs. They can serve as a conference room, mini store, office, workshop, or even a museum, offering endless possibilities for both personal and professional use. Once unfolded, the standard version of the ETTCOR trailer measures around 16 feet wide and weighs approximately 3,500 pounds. Despite its size, the trailer is designed for easy handling and setup. Its thoughtful engineering ensures it can be used comfortably throughout the year, regardless of weather conditions, making it suitable for all-season applications. For those who need more flexibility, a truck version of the ETTCOR trailer is also available. This expands its potential for mobile businesses or outdoor projects where extra mobility is required. Another unique advantage is its garage function. When used to store vehicles, there's no need to remove the car before folding or unfolding the trailer. This feature saves time, increases convenience, and showcases the intelligent design behind ECor's innovative trailer system. The Top Mobility Roller Ramp is a practical upgrade designed for vans, offering convenience and versatility. This electrically operated folding ramp can serve multiple purposes, from assisting in the transport of wheelchairs to supporting mobile repair shops for scooters, bicycles, or other equipment. Its design makes everyday tasks easier and safer, especially for those who frequently handle heavy or wheeled items. One of its key benefits is the simple installation process. Unlike many other ramps, it requires no complex modifications to the van, saving both time and effort. The manufacturer promises a faster setup compared to similar products, ensuring quick usability right after purchase. Built with aerospace-grade 661 aluminum alloy, the roller ramp is lightweight yet extremely strong. It has a maximum payload capacity of 1,000 pounds, making it reliable for both personal and professional applications. With just the push of a button, the ramp unfolds automatically, ensuring easy operation for any user. Measuring around 6 feet in length and 26 inches in width, it provides an ample space for safe loading and unloading. Priced from $2,679, the roller ramp offers durability, strength, and convenience, making it an excellent investment for mobility and transport needs. The Maxon C2 is a smart tailgate modification designed for pickup trucks and service vehicles, ideal for those who frequently need to transport heavy items. Instead of relying on a crane or extra manpower, this system makes lifting simple and efficient. Depending on the version, it can handle loads of up to 1,500 pounds, allowing tasks that once required 2 or more people to be completed by just one. One of the biggest advantages of the Maxon C2 is that it adds very little to the overall size of the vehicle, keeping its practicality intact. It is also built for durability and minimal upkeep. The enclosed hydraulic system ensures protection from dirt and damage, while lubrication-free bearings reduce the need for regular maintenance. Safety and convenience are also prioritized. The remote control automatically deactivates 90 seconds after the last operation to prevent unauthorized use or accidents. This feature makes it a secure option for both private users and professional fleets. In addition to pickups, the manufacturer offers versions of the Maxon C2 for vans and service vehicles, making it a versatile solution across multiple industries. Reliable, strong, and efficient, it transforms everyday transport into an easier and safer job. The TopperEzLift is a smart and versatile system created for pickup truck owners who want extra comfort and utility. Designed to mount on truck beds ranging from 5 to 8 feet, it can instantly transform the back of a vehicle into a cozy space for resting or sleeping. With the optional Weekender Camper package, users get a full setup that includes a bunk bed, TV, lighting, and a fan, turning the pickup into a compact and functional camper. One of the system's most clever design features is the use of the tailgate to create additional room. This makes the interior feel more spacious without sacrificing practicality. When folded, the system still leaves enough room to carry luggage or other gear, so the truck remains useful for transport. The TopperEzLift is powered by a reliable electric motor, ensuring smooth operation and convenience. Built with premium quality components, the manufacturer guarantees that the system is durable enough to last a lifetime, offering long-term value to users. In addition to the camper package, the system can be customized for other purposes. For instance, it can be modified to carry equipment like a quad bike, making it highly adaptable for adventure, work, or travel. The OK Camp Awning is the perfect solution for relaxation after a long day of work or travel. In just 5 minutes, it can be set up beside your car, instantly creating a cozy picnic or rest area. With a coverage of about 151 square feet, it offers plenty of shade and comfort, especially on hot summer days, making outdoor breaks much more enjoyable. This awning is both compact and practical. It weighs only 60 pounds and measures just over 6.5 feet when stored. Packed in a durable PVC cover, it easily attaches to the vehicle's roof or roof rack. Its height can be adjusted to suit your needs, while nylon guy wires and sturdy metal spikes provide extra stability during windy or rough weather conditions. Durability is a key feature. The fabric is water repellent and additionally protected by a polyurethane spray, ensuring reliable use even in rain. For added convenience and atmosphere, the awning includes a 3.3-foot LED strip powered by the car's cigarette lighter, bringing soft light to your picnic or evening setup. Priced at around $916, the OK Camp Awning is not just functional, but also a smart investment for anyone who loves outdoor adventures. Airless tires are a modern adaptation of technology, first tested in 20th century military vehicles. Unlike conventional tires that rely on air, these are built with rubber cells supported by a honeycomb-like internal structure. This design makes them extremely durable, capable of resisting punctures, bullet impacts, and shrapnel damage, offering clear advantages in safety and reliability. However, their low elasticity reduces speed performance, which has limited widespread adoption. To overcome this, engineers are improving cell structures to balance durability with better flexibility and comfort. The potential is so significant that even tire industry leaders are investing in it. In fact, Michelin unveiled its own version in 2017 and announced plans to release the first production-ready airless tires for passenger cars by 2024. With advancements continuing, airless tires could soon revolutionize everyday driving by combining safety, strength, and low maintenance into a single solution. The Helya Hitchhelper is a clever solution created to expand transport capabilities for pickup trucks and similar vehicles. Built to fit a 2-inch hitch, it is especially useful when handling heavy or oversized loads, such as farm machinery, construction equipment, or large trailers. By redistributing the weight more evenly, it takes pressure off the drawbar and increases the vehicle's payload capacity by up to 1,800 pounds. One of its standout features is the use of reinforced tires, built for commercial applications. These tires come with a universal tread, ensuring reliable performance across different terrains. Paired with a coil spring system, the Hitchhelper not only supports heavier loads, but also enhances durability and reduces overall wear. The design also improves handling and safety. By balancing the load more effectively, the additional wheel helps extend tire life, reduces strain on the vehicle, and makes maneuvering with heavy cargo smoother. At the same time, it eliminates the risk of wheel hop, a problem where drive wheels jump during acceleration, often causing vibration and noise. With its combination of strength, durability, and practicality, the Helya Hitchhelper is an excellent upgrade for anyone who regularly uses their vehicle for heavy-duty hauling.